Ever wondered how to turn your kitchen scraps and yard waste into black gold for your garden? Well, let me introduce you to the fascinating world of vermicomposting. Picture this: a bustling community of worms working tirelessly to break down your organic matter into nutrient-rich compost. These little guys are like nature's recycling team, turning banana peels, coffee grounds, and fallen leaves into a powerhouse of soil enrichment. Here's the scoop: all you need is a worm bin, some bedding material like shredded newspaper, and of course, our star players, the red wiggler worms. These voracious eaters will munch through your scraps, leaving behind a dark, crumbly compost that's a game changer for your plants. Plus, vermicomposting is odorless and perfect for small spaces like apartments or balconies. So, say goodbye to throwing away your food scraps and hello to sustainable gardening with vermicomposting. It's easy, eco-friendly, and a win-win for both you and your garden. Join the worm revolution and let nature do its magic in turning waste into wonder.